southeastern Moore County in central North Carolina, southwestern Harnett County in central North Carolina, northeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, west central Cumberland County in central North Carolina, northern Hope County in central North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Aberdeen, 7 miles southwest of Southern Pines, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southern Pines, Fort Bragg, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Hoffman, Pope Air Force Base, Whispering Pines, Pine Bluff, Foxfire, and Venice. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now taking a look at the forecast for the local area. Issued at 3:22 p.m. Severe thunderstorm watch 106.